Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to sharpen a lopper or a branch lopper. These are basically very big shears with a long handle and a quite simple construction, which makes them excellent for restoring. First of all, we need to take them apart. For this, we will disassemble this blade, which is the only blade that is sharpened on here. And we need to take off these two screws to do that. After taking off the blade, make sure you put all your disassembled parts back together like this so you don't lose anything. Now we just have a blade left and we can properly sharpen it. Because this is an anvil style lopper, we have a blade that is sharpened from both sides, just like a knife, which makes it very easy to sharpen. For this I'm going to use a coarse diamond stone, but you can basically use any kind of hand sharpener or even a larger bench stone that you have lying around. Just place your blade down on something and then follow the angle that is already ground in. If you can see it here in the reflection, you can see the angle. Just follow it, it's not that important. So after a bit of work, as you can see, the edge is nice and shiny again. And if you can feel a burr all the way across the opposing side, you know you're done. And with these garden tools, that's enough. Just make sure that while sharpening, sharpen the whole surface evenly and not only on one spot where you may have a bit of damage, because then you will get a divot in the spot and the blade will work worse than before. Now it's just onto the disassembly. Now while we are disassembling, we can put a bit of grease under all of these surfaces. You can see everywhere there is wear on the metal. This is where it's metal on metal contact, and a bit of grease will help loosen everything up. And just like this, the lopper is reassembled. When you tighten the screw, tighten them, then move it a little bit, work the grease in, and then after everything is settled, tighten the screws again because they will have set, and then everything is done and your lopper will work again. That was already it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.